Arming and disarming your WISE security alarm system. To arm the system, tap your key fob on the RFID symbol located at the bottom right of the alarm. You'll hear 2 beeps, and the exclamation mark will flash amber, confirming the system is armed. The alarm will continue beeping for around 45 seconds, giving you time to enter or exit before it becomes fully active. To disarm the system, tap your key fob on the same RFID symbol. You'll hear 2 beeps, and the amber light will flash twice, confirming the alarm has been disarmed. If the alarm activates when you enter, don't worry. Simply tap your key fob on the RFID symbol, and the system will immediately disarm. For support, visit our website at ramtechglobal.com/wiseowner.